Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add background music to your video on Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. Music can completely change the feel of your edit, so let's go. I'm not going to follow the rhythm of my edit, I'm just going to add a background music to show you. So you will be in charge of selecting which music will fit into your video. So I'm just going to go to my anywhere I have music randomly. So I think I have music here. Yes. So I'm just going to pick any sound. These are coming from Epidemic Sound. For us being a YouTubers, so you need that any audio you're adding has to be you have to be very careful about it. All right. So I'm just going to carry it, drag it, and I'm going to put it here directly. Oh, sorry. I'm just going to drag it. I'm not going to just drag it into and take it straight to timeline. So I'll put it here. You can drop it here, but I want to put it on the timeline directly. So let's put it here first. So I will now drag it into the timeline. So once it's at the timeline, this is the all height of the video. Now all I need to do is to loop it. All right? And to loop it, to do that, all I will need to do is to come to the middle of this clip and then make a cut. So once I make a cut, I will take this one here. Then once I've done that, I'll start duplicating until it round my video so that it transits well with the across all the video, because sometimes your video must have a very long length in your video, but you need the background music to be all around it. Before you loop this, note that you must first have done adjustment with the audio. You must have adjusted it to fit into the sound of your music. So I can do like this and then right click and then nest it as well, and then as I go to audio gain and reduce it to minus 30, and then I can reduce the volume as well, not speed. I can reduce the volume from the clips, but before you do what I just did now, you must have first round everything around. You must have reduced the audio before you start nesting. So I'm not going to play it because this audio will have effect on my channel, so I'm not going to play the audio. That's why I'm not playing it. I'll just show you how to add it in. So basically, this is how you add the background music to your video on Premiere Pro, and that is it from my end. All you need to do is drag the video, bring it to your project area, then drag it to your timeline, and then adjust the audio, adjust the volume of the audio. After you're done adjusting, you split the clip into two in the middle, then you drag the other one over another, and then you begin to spread it across. That will help you to have a transition of the audio to the end of it without really noticing that there is a change in the audio. All right, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. And before we go, lastly, when at the end of the audio, you need to apply an audio effect. You go to effect, then you come to audio transition, then you add this cross exponential fade, add it to the last clip so that it fades the audio, Do that to also your own audio, the main audio here for the clip. Just add it so that at the end they all fades out and dies up. So thank you for watching this video, and if this makes any sense to you, don't forget to like, share, comment, and leave us a comment on what kind of Premiere Pro video you want us to make next, and I will see you in the next video.